It's a black iPhone box, and that's not really good.
Oh, hold on. What is this? There's so many boxes here.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Merry Christmas sa lahat. Sumakit yung ilong ko. Oh, sumakit yung ilong ko. Dahil, ganyan ako kapag gusto kong umiyak. Oh my God, Merry Christmas! Kagigising lang namin, guys. 25 today, and yeah, this morning I've been watching my sister's videos. Keep sending me video. So yeah, mag-breakfast lang kami ni Tami. Yeah, mag-breakfast lang kami, guys. And then, yun, konti lang yung kainin ko. Dalawang bread left over. I don't know kung anong kainin ni Tami. Cutting his. Cleaning up the area here. Naglilinis naman ako, pero yung ano lang linisin ko is vacuum. So, yun lang yung gawin ko, vacuum. Oh, before pala kami kakain, I'm going to feed the kids. They're hungry. Anyway, and then, binalik ko yung ano ni Bianan. Yung, yan, binalik ko siya kasi binalik ko yung bed dyan dahil baka may gustong matulog, gano'n. Mag-open kami ng gift kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung gift ni Tami sa akin, joke. Hindi ko talaga alam, guys. Anyway, pakainin ko muna sila. Tami's giving gift to the kids.
Really? Seriously, Dubs?
They're not interested. They're not interested, hon.
Yeah.
Oh, she kind of like that. You have to play with that. Yeah. Ah, look at how tipon. Look at the bug. Look at the bug. Damn. Christmas gift to the. Look at how's enjoying it, hon. There is a catnip in that one.
Yeah.
He rubbed his head in it.
What?
He rubbed his head in it. Like, look at that. He's just like playing with it. Like.
No, that one's not cat. The little orange one is.
Give the thing for the kid. I don't know.
Yeah, that's right.
Gift for the
Is
kids.
it you? Hold on.
Okay, a toy. Christmas toy. Look, see.
That's it. You chew Santa Claus up.
Santa Claus head. Another one. Just leave it. More, Roxy, more. More, look at her. Look at her running.
There's a hard bone, which I know you don't really like.
Yeah. Santa Claus hand, gloves.
Yeah, lots of love.
Oh, she liked the ano, gloves.
Rope ball.
Oh, okay, Misty.
Misty, monkey.
Misty, come.
This is the Misty, not you. That's you. This is monkey.
Misty.
Monkey.
Hobbs, you got yours. Misty's behind Tommy.
Where's Misty?
Call her. She's behind
Come here,
you.
monkey. Come here, miss.
Go, Dada, Misty.
Where is she?
Behind you.
Not yours.
That's yours.
This one don't. Where's Misty?
Roxy.
Rocks? This one's yours, Rocks. That's Misty's. Monkey.
Misty's under the table. All these toys I will put in the bin. Too much. I know this is just nothing, honey. But I need, you know.
It's supposed to be nothing at all, huh?
I know we talk about nothing,
Right.
but you don't listen.
Well, I have the right to not listen.
Huh?
I have the right to not listen.
And I have the right to not to listen. Just open it. Open the box. Ang dami eh. Open the box. Just open the box. That's not what's inside, hon.
I figured that, huh? Because it's the pad you got over there.
That's just really clothes for you. Look.
Okay. interesting box of clothes.
I know. I want you to wear it because
That's a nice heavy sweatshirt.
I hope
There you go.
I hope it fits you, huh?
That'll be good.
Just try it on anyway later on. Okay.
Hang on.
Okay, put that down. There's another one.
Oh, nice fancy wrap.
Nice fancy.
Too shiny, I can't see the edge of the paper. Oh, the black box. Now we can find out what happened to the plane. The black Apple box. It's a black iPhone box, and that's not really good.
Why it's not good? You have to buy a cell phone, honey. Use that, honey.
I don't think so.
Yes, you will.
What was that from?
Ah.
What was in there?
I know it's nothing. I do it. Sorry, honey. It's a prank, hon. Get that thing. You have to buy that. I want you to use that to get another phone.
Huh?
Because ay nakuhan. Uy, you get prank. What do you think of that gift when you see the Apple
Very
box?
cute. I like the black Apple.
No. What do you think of like when you see Apple box?
I thought you did something really stupid.
I did something stupid. Move rocks because it's a surprise gift from Dada Rock.
It's surprise gift the mom already knows. Because she don't believe it's prizes any which way.
It's accidentally open it, so.
Right, she accidentally opened it.
Rock, let's see what's in here, Rock. I want to know what's in here. Oh, it says a small B. And it says Adorama. Okay, Rox. Come here, Roxy.
Which for you people watching is the name of the camera store. Adorama is the name of the camera store.
Oh, hold on. What is this? There's so many boxes here. I just really look this thing and this. I don't even look at this. It's a
GoPro 8.
GoPro 8, and then there's so many things here that I don't know.
You should have 3 spare batteries, so you should have 4 batteries total.
What is this dual charger?
Dual charger the batteries.
2 batteries, huh?
There should be 3 extra batteries plus the one that comes. It says 3 extra batteries.
2 batteries. Oh, battery, charger plus battery.
Mm-hmm.
And Tommy got also. No, why you get
128 gig stick.
Yeah, guys. Gig, and then what is this?
That's the cleaning. That should be the cleaning kit for it.
I'll film you.
Goes to the opening. Yeah, let's see. Can't be that difficult.
Thanks, hon. Thank you,
alright.
baby. The thing about Tommy, guys, it's hard to prank him. It's really hard to do prank. You know, he kind of like. He said, "Why it's hard for you to be prank, hon? You don't get like crazy. I expect you to be like yelling at me. And you don't do that." He doesn't do that though. That's hard to take off, right? So what I'm gonna do is charge this and start. After this one, guys, I'm going to charge this GoPro batteries, and then oh, there you go.
Yeah, but the stand has come off somehow.
That's not really a stand, right? Sobrang liit, guys. Ganon na tayo mag-vlog, guys. Sobrang liit. Hello. Look at this.
Three batteries charged, but unlikely.
Oh my god. Always make fun of me, huh? Always a battery low bat.
Because you always had them low bat.
Hello guys! Nagbihis tayo ulit. Ito na naman yung suot natin kasi komportable. And, look. Mamaya na ako mag-vacuum pala kasi nanonood yung asawa ko ng movie or show or something. And then, it will get disturbing. Sis. Ikakat ko lang to. Ang pinaka-messy nito magluto is bacon kasi I'm going to add bacon bits. Magluto ako fresh bacon and then i-ano ko siya parang i-crumbled. Yan. And then while cooking this one, ilagay mo yung bacon. Ang sarap. Nagsuot ako ganina ng blue Robbie ba? I changed because mainitan ako. Kapal kasi nun. Kanina, pagising ko kasi kanina, sobrang init. Sobrang, ano pala, ginaw. Oh, you put it in the where to put the polkas. The back. Roxy, don't worry, we're not leaving.
Put this right.
We don't need scissors. Well, how about the other house? We're gonna bring it here.
I know, but you had, I got you a good pair of scissors that you wanted scissors.
Where is it?
One of the ones from
I know. Hello, where is it,
I
huh?
don't know.
It's in the other drawer?
I give them to you, I don't see them.
Maybe it's in upstairs. Filming
In
room.
your office.
Or maybe it's in the other drawer. Why you looking?
Oh, I don't like using scissors, it doesn't cut. I hate, they're annoying to me.
I need to turn it off.
I didn't turn on yet, huh?
Slowly, like that. Low heat. Hobbs! My God!
Slow it down, kid. Don't be trying to grab no bacon.
Still, boy ba? It's spoiled.
The two kinds that you like, the one with the gravy and the cabbages.
This is a good Brussels sprouts. Mahal siya pero worth it siya kasi hindi siya yung payat.
Hi.
Yeah. What treats? I don't know what you're doing, Tommy.
I got them, I think a baggage strip and I got
It's under the table. Under the table, side table. Huh? I clean everything and then you don't make a mess. Okay guys, you boil this mga few seconds. And then, para hindi siya ano ba, mush. It need to be crunchy. Right, boy? He's eating. He's eating his nuts. Anyway, so yeah. Iano nyo lang siya i-boil. Hindi yung sobrang tagal guys. Tignan nyo lang siya kung ano. Kung okay ba yung para hindi siya talaga ba, para pagkain mamaya ng mga tao, hindi siya matigas, hindi din siya, ano, mush. And then, pag, ano pala ninyo nito, pag hukad, pag kuha ninyo galing sa boiling water, ano niya, i-drain ka agad. And then, lagyan ng cold water. And then, ito yung pang, ano natin, para sa Brussels sprout. Oh, shit. Oh. Anuhan ninyo ng malamig na tubig. Yung cold water talaga siya. Para yung init mawala kasi naluluto siya sa init eh. And then pagkatapos nyan, parang yung ano, idadry ninyo ba para sa paper towel gamitin ninyo. Parang idry ninyo kaunti ng paper towel. Hindi isa-isa ha. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. What is the problem? Is that him, Pozan? She's enjoying some mini toys in here. Probably that's what.
Is there a ball?
What ball?
I tell you, she's playing with the dog's ball.
Okay guys, kunin na natin to. And then, it's cold water ito guys. Look. Sobrang cold itong tubig na itong ilagay natin para mawala yung, pag maluto kasi siya guys. And then, hindi na siya maganda. Sa ano siya ko siya ilagay sa bowl na may tubig at ice. Pero ayaw ko kasi gamitin ko yung ice mamaya. So, ginaw na lang na tubig. Hayaan lang natin siya. Ganon. Hanggang mawala. Ito yung bacon. And then, ang gagawin ko is pakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos na itong maluto. So, ngayon guys, look, ito yung bacon. Ang gagawin ko is Ganunin ko lang siya. Hindi sobrang liit kasi pangit naman. Hindi nila makita. Hindi nila makain. Yung big flake lang. At saka, ako din. Hindi natin sobrang liit din kasi yan. Hindi nila makita. 1 pack of bacon lang ito, guys. I don't have a choice. Masarap ito pag maraming bacon. Kasi nasabi ko kay Tami 1 pack lang. So, ito na siya, guys. Oh my God. Lagyan ko na siya ng oil. And then, ilagay natin si garlic. Konti lang kasi hindi ko to siya ilalagay lahat. Brussels sprout, hindi ko siya ilagay lahat. Kasi gusto ko maka-brown siya talaga individually. Back to back. And I need pepper and salt. That's all you need. Pepper, salt, bacon, garlic. That's it. Pinch it. Pocahontas! Anyway, so yun siya. Maglagay tayo nito, Brussels sprouts. Ganon siya. Parang nakaupo siya dyan. Nakaupo para mag-brown talaga siya. Yan. Hindi nyo yan kailangan ganitohin. Pero gusto ko talagang mag-brown siya. And then, lagyan natin ng konting salt sa ibabaw. Wala, ang laki. Ganyan. And then, i-flip natin mamaya. Same thing, season. And then, i-add natin yung bacon. Basta natin yung apoy. Hindi natin idahan-dahan kasi maluto siya ng sobra. And maging mush na siya. Idahan-dahan mo. Dahan-dahan siyang maluto. Hanggang maluto. And then, hindi pa na brown. Hindi na siya na brown. Lutong-luto na siya. Hindi masarap. Na-brown na siya. Slowly browning. Natin sila. Ibaligtad. Hindi nyo to kailangan gawin, pero ako gawin ko to. Gusto, kung kayo magluto at saka madami talaga, at saka wala kayong time, ang gagawin nyo na lang is parang ukay-ukayin. Yun, i-mix-mix. Bacon. Yan. So you guys, tapos na tayo guys. Kasi perfect na yung ano niya, crunchiness and hindi siya yung sobrang hilaw. Pero yun.